In this video, we're going to look into a quick comparison between N8n versus Power Automate. So let's get into the video. So N8n here is actually open source. It's self-hostable workflow automation tool with integrations as well. It's very flexible. Their main target users are developers, technical users, and teams that need custom logic and integrations. Whereas the Power Automate from Microsoft here is actually a cloud workflow on automation platform. It's part of Microsoft's Power Platform. It's great for like business users, and it's integrated with Microsoft 365, Teams, SharePoint, and all those things. So their main target users are like business users and less technical stuff, and organizations that heavily rely on Microsoft ecosystem. The main differences between these two platforms are actually the flexibility. In N8n it's very strong. You can self-host, and you can call any API. You can write JavaScript in nodes and do advanced logics and workflows. Whereas in Power Automate here, it's actually you have more constraints where you try to do things outside the Microsoft provided connectors, or when doing highly custom API manipulations. Some of the pros and cons of N8n are like N8n, you have more bit of control and freedom because it's open source and it supports custom code. And you have the cost control, especially if self-hosted and for many executions. It's good for developers and technical staff. But the issue with N8n is that there is more technical setup. So you need self-hosting demands infrastructure. You need that. You need maintenance, monitoring, and all those things. Okay, and also some features might require more manual work like building nodes, handling authorizations and stuff. And also for non-technical users there is a pretty steep learning curve, so just need to get that into an account. So Power Automate on the other hand is that it's strong out of the box integrations, especially with Microsoft 365 ecosystem, and it has rich templates and guided flows, and it's good for business users and teams without like much technical background. The issue with that is vendor lock-in into Microsoft ecosystem. So if you want to go outside that, the cost and friction go up obviously, and also the premium connectors and advanced features, they cost more as well. So there's a bit of pricing there as well, and there is less flexibility for deep custom logic or integrating non-standard APIs or services. So based on your preference, for example, like if you're already using Microsoft 365, okay, Teams, SharePoint, and everything, and you want like something, you have more non-technical users building flows, then Power Automate is must be an ideal option for you, and you care a lot about the compliance and everything, then Power Automate will be the ideal choice. But if you need to integrate a variety of tools across ecosystem, not just like Microsoft, you just need to build like custom APIs and you need to self-host, then you are cost sensitive and you expect many flow runs and heavy use, then N8n might be a better option for you in that case. Okay,